guys, it's Alicia with WTI. As much as I wish I had time to make a homemade stock every week for use in my recipes, that's just not gonna happen. So I love to keep this Kitchen Basics chicken stock on hand because this is a real time saver and it's super delicious. So what I like about this is the ingredients in it are very simple. It's exactly what you would put in your own homemade chicken stock. So I feel really good about using this product in my recipes. I also love that it comes in this 32-ounce container that is resealable, so I can just use what I need and then put the box back in the fridge. You can also freeze this stock, which is really great if you don't use the whole container, so it helps to cut down on waste. There's no artificial flavors, no MSG. It's just simple ingredients that taste delicious and add a ton of flavor to whatever you use it for. So I love to use this when I'm making soups. I also like to use it to flavor the liquid part of my rice. It's perfect for a quick gravy or a pan sauce. There's just so many options. It's even delicious on its own if you heat it up, maybe when you're not feeling well and you want to just sip on a little bit of broth. So this is a great staple item to keep in your pantry. I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.